Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to be making a filling meal with ramen noodles. Stay tuned.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
Now I'm using the Samyang seafood noodles, and these are my ingredients that I'll be adding. First thing I did was to put my noodles to boil. If you're new to my channel, guys, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button as well. Put your post notification bell on so you know when I upload a video. I upload 3 times a week, on a Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Now once my noodle is a little bit loose, I like to go ahead and just break it up a bit so it's evenly cooked. Now in a pan, I added about 10 grams of unsalted butter, and I'm gonna just go ahead now and add my garlic. I'm gonna add my onions, my tomatoes and my spring onions. Now if you're using fresh bell peppers, you can also add it at this point. I added mine at the end because I had some pre-cooked, and yeah, I didn't want them to get too mushy. So after sauteing all that for about a couple of minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and add my sausage because I want to get a little bit of sear on the sausage. I'm gonna go ahead and add my cabbage, and I'm just gonna let this saute for about 6 minutes. After about 6 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp, and I'm gonna cook these for a couple of minutes. I'd say about 3 minutes, a minute and a half each side. Thank you so much for returning to my channel, guys. I really appreciate it. If you're still here with me, leave me a shrimp and a cabbage emoji. Now after my shrimp is cooked, I'm just gonna go ahead now and add my noodles. Now guys, I love to eat my noodles this way. I find it's just like, you can literally make a meal out of it. You know, them ones where you just want something quick and easy. This is it. I went ahead and added my mixed peppers and some fresh spring onions, and listen, just get stuck in. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for your girl, and as usual, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.